Hey you guys, so I'm back with another video, and today we are talking all about grown woman tips and tricks on how to stay fresh throughout your day. So I'm going to show you how to create a refresh bag so that you won't get caught slipping in these streets. So if that's something that intrigues your little mind, make sure you hit that bell notification and turn on your notifications. Let me turn this off. All right, so listen, this is what we're going to create. So I'm going to show you everything that I have in this bag. I usually keep this in the car, or, because, every one of us sweat. Every one of us sweats. And as long as we're on this earth, we all are going to sweat. That's why it calls daily shower, daily bathe, because you can't go 72 hours without taking a bath. You can't do that. So the first thing I like to always make sure I have in here are my deodorant wipes. And these are deodorant toilettes. And they are from the brand Arm and Hammer. And I actually got these out of the Dollar Tree in the $5 section, but I don't think they were $5. But I always keep these in here. So I'm going to put that in there. And I always keep me a pair of extra panties, because listen, if you're a 40+ girl like myself, you sneeze the wrong way, a little bit may come out. You cough the wrong way, a little bit may come out. You laugh too hard, a little bit may come out. So just to be on the safe side, then you never know, you may be out here and then flow may come, your periods may come unexpectedly, and you out in public. So you always need to have at least one pair, but one or two, however way that makes you comfortable. So we got that. And then while we're still on that, you always want to have some type of deodorant, because you never know, you might leave out the house and forget to put on deodorants. You never know. Listen, things could happen. Y'all be laughing at me, but I'm telling you, if I ask one of y'all to this day, have y'all forgot to put on deodorants, I bet you every one of it. Let me know in the comments, because I'm telling you, it could be as simple as you being around the house, cleaning, doing your thing, and you look up, it's 12 o'clock, and you ain't showered, ain't put water on, ain't put deodorant on, ain't did nothing, and you start smelling something foul. Oh, it's you, honey. It's you. You know, they always say you are the closest thing to your nose, and if you smelling it, 9 times out of 10, it's probably you, boo. So, yeah. And then to freshen up your girl down there, I always keep some type of, you can keep regular baby wipes, or you could have some type of feminine wipes. Whatever makes you happy, honey. It ain't no set one product to use. Whatever you feel comfortable with. And then I always try to make sure I carry me a pad, because you never know. I always keep me a tampon, the super, because I'm a heavy floor, and then I keep a light one as well. I always keep one panty liner or something like that in there. And then you never know, you may get a nick, cut, scrape, something. You just never know. So I always like to put a little first aid kit up in there. And as y'all can see, I got majority of this stuff from the Dollar Tree, y'all. So it's no way you have to break the bank to make your refresh bag. And for the ashiness, you don't want to be out in these streets ashy. So I like this. This was $1 in the Dollar Tree. The body beauty cream for face and body. I don't use this on my face, but I do use this on my hands and stuff. If I get ashy, something like that. And then for the breath, honey, I found these in the Dollar Tree, because usually I have just a real big toothbrush and toothpaste, but I was like, this is on the go, and you don't even need no water, so it already has toothpaste in there. So this is Crest Scope. The toothpaste is already in the little tube, so it's 2 in a pack, so I keep this in there. And then, of course, I found these little gentle picks to pick in between teeth. You be out and about, and you be eating, and you ain't got time to come all the way back to the house. Just take your little cell phone in the stall, in the bathroom. Ain't nobody got to know exactly what you doing. If they that knows, there's something wrong. So just do that. And then, oh, my ear itching, y'all. And then what I like to do is I carry these little breath strips. You just put these on your tongue and they dissolve. Instantly you have fresh breath. I keep these a lot in my kids' backpack. You know, they take them to school. And then for my lips, y'all know, if y'all are OG, y'all already know. If I don't have nothing else on, my face is going to be clean and my lips going to be popping. So I have 2 lip glosses. This one is from Victoria's Secret. It's the Honey Shine flavored lip gloss. It doesn't really have, it have a little flavor to it, but not as much as I like. But I switch in between that. And y'all know I love Vaseline, anything Vaseline. So I have me that in there. And that, my darlings, is how you create your refresh bag. So when you're out and about, running your errands, going to mom PTA meetings or whatever, you coming straight from work, for those of you that work a 9 to 5, refresh up before you leave work and head on to the PTA meeting and go on, see about your babies and come on home. If you out and about shopping and it get a little too hot in them streets, where it's finna cool down now, but still you can sweat in the fall and winter months too. But you don't have to be out in these streets slipping. So yeah, you can get this all under, I want to say all of that was way under 20 bucks at your local Dollar Tree, because this little bag was like $1 and something, $1.25. So anytime you feel like you need to add something in there, and I always forget to add my mini travel size perfume, because I always keep it in my purse. But keep that in there if you want to switch up or refresh up on your perfume, depending on what scent you're wearing. But there's no reason for us to be slipping. I'm telling you, if y'all sleeping on a Dollar Tree, y'all are missing out, because a lot of times they have some of the same top name brands that Walmart, Target, and all of them have. It just be on a smaller quantity. But hey, when your money be looking funny, Dollar Tree will always come through for you, whether that's cleaning products, whether that's hygiene products, whether that's knickknacks, snacks, and stuff. You can find just about whatever you need in the Dollar Tree. So y'all let me know in the comments if y'all gonna create y'all a refresh bag, or if you already have it. Because if you're older, you know I've already talked about this a while ago on my channel, a few years ago. But anyway, thought it was time to refresh and give you something new, some new little products that I found. But you do not have to break the bank to make sure you keep this in your car. You can have one in your car, you can have one in your purse, you can have one laying under the sink just for backup. However way you choose to do this, it is totally up to you. So I hope this video inspires you, encourages you to know that, you know what, I can smell my absolute best without breaking the bank. So I love you guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.